presenting the Ram 2019 1500 Bighorn Lone Star. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, GPS antenna input, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 3 with 5 display, air conditioning, power steering, power windows and rear 60/40 folding seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.